A hydrogen electrode contained a solution at pH is equal to 3 at 25 degrees Celsius. The reduction potential of the half cell would be. First of all, what is the electrode reaction? Electrode reaction is H plus aqueous plus 1 electron gives rise to half H2 gas. Anyway, in case of a hydrogen electrode, the pressure of the hydrogen gas is 1 bar. The next equation is EH plus H2 is equal to E0 H plus H2 minus 0.0591 by N log 1 by concentration of the H plus. EH plus H2 is equal to E0 value for a hydrogen electrode is 0 minus 0.0591 by 1 number of electrons 1. Log 1 by H plus we can write it as minus log H plus. Then EH plus H2 is equal to minus 0.0591 into pH, because minus log H plus is equal to pH. pH value is given, that is 3, 0.0591 into 3. What will get here? Minus 0.177 volts. So the answer is option C.